Today I will guide you through a shamanic practice of shape-shifting. And if you've seen it in movies, like a shaman turning himself into a wolf or a jaguar, it's not how it works. Shape-shifting is really a state shifting. It's a shift in your mental, emotional, and even physical state. Sometimes we would use natural elements like water or fire. Sometimes we would use birds or animals, and sometimes we can even use mythical creatures. In a way, it's a borrowing of these entities or creatures' qualities. Today you will become an eagle. This is done to help you see your situation from outside, from above. Think of an eagle. It flies high. It has a sharp vision, and it can see beyond the immediate. Sometimes we need that view. Sometimes we are so absorbed by our situation, we might not be able to see an exit, a solution. That outside view can help you to see a bigger picture and notice the opportunities. You may get an instant insight, or maybe your mind will need a little time to process it. And you may have to repeat this practice a few times, but it is a great tool. I cannot tell you how many times it helped me, and my clients too find it very helpful. It is a very simple practice. All you need to do is to involve your imagination. Simply withdraw your focus inwards, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and with each breath allow yourself to relax deeper. Drift deeper within yourself. Just imagine that you are drifting, sinking down deeper through the layers of your consciousness. Layer by layer, going deeper and deeper into your own inner world. And once you're there, imagine, pretend, visualize that there is an eagle. Beautiful, majestic, powerful bird. This is a part of you, a part of your psyche. Simply set an intention now to see your situation, your problem from above, to see the bigger picture, to find a solution, to see the blind spots. And now imagine that the part of you that is that bird understood your request clearly. And now open your wings and rise. Fly higher and higher and higher, moving first through the layers of your own consciousness, reaching the sky, flying fast upwards, higher and higher, until you see the whole situation, the whole image of your problem. And now you can observe yourself in the human form, doing what you usually do, but only now through this eagle's eyes. You can see the situation much more clearly. You can see the bigger picture. You can see it in more details. You can see all the blind spots. You can see everything that went unnoticed. And perhaps already now, you understand the solution, the exit from this problem. And maybe you can see now the external influences, perhaps the situation not fully dependent on you. And maybe you are in fact doing the best you can. Maybe you just need to look at it differently. Or maybe it's the opposite. You thought you don't have much control. You thought there are other people, circumstances creating these problems, but maybe you're just one decision away from bringing this problem to a complete resolution. And now soar higher in the sky. Enjoy this moment of freedom. Explore the territory. Perhaps you'll notice the opportunities you haven't seen before. You can fly as far as you want. The sky is the limit, and you can continue flying for as long as you like. And when you're ready, you can simply return and reunite with the rest of yourself and share all the insights.